So I'm about to take my roller set out, and as y'all can see, there's a little couple curls back there jumping off. So I'm gonna pop the rest of these out. I mean, I shouldn't have to show y'all how to take these out. It's pretty simple. Just pull the little snap-on piece off and untwist your hair from around the roller. That's pretty much it. So these are the curls before I pull them apart. And you should be able to see my root area, but you see how it's not all like super puffy and like dry looking? It would have been puffy and dry if I didn't put grease in it. So I actually want my curls to stay like this, but I am gonna pull them apart a little bit and put a little something something maybe on my edges. But you could flat iron your root, like just your root area, if you just want it a little bit straighter, but I don't. So I'm just gonna pull my curls out. And just like that, here goes my final look, honey. This is exactly how I want it. Like a little, you know, I just wanted a little ringlet moment. And I feel like my hair is the perfect length for the style that I wanted, for how I wanted them to sit on my head. Like how it used to be back in the day. Like, I love it. But I didn't put nothing in my hair. I didn't put nothing else in my hair. Like when I was pulling my curls apart, I pulled them apart with my fingers, and I didn't like take it one at a time. I did it with my nails, like, meow. And I was done in no time. And this is the final look, and I love it. Now, I don't know if your good sis gonna be able to roll this up every day and every night. I mean, every night. I don't think that's gonna be going down. This probably only gonna last me like 2 days, but we'll see what happens.